Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this series of videos in which we are showing you that how you can boost your set channel and you can increase the reach of your videos and you can use the promotion and you can make use of the ideas, the ideas for you which are presented uh, by YouTube on your channel. So this is very, very important because it's my experience that when I paid attention to it, the ideas for you. So if you see ever that the YouTube is suggesting any name of your video, any title of your video, that you can use it in your promotions, right? And do the promotion for it. So where is the promotion? The promotions are actually, if you go to the contents and in the contents, you go to the promotions. Yeah. So here you have the chance to add a new promotion. It's a very low cost promotion possible in here. It depends how much you want to invest in. So keep an eye on your budget and so I tried it and this was enormous. This was amazing in terms of growth of my channel. Means first of all you have to see that which of your contents are really liked by by your viewers and take some of those of your videos which you can try your luck through the promotion, right? So I selected the automating the solver. This is a video which was very much liked. Okay? So I used its promotion, right? And also this SAP stuff. And the Cock 4 report was SAP. So this was actually the video which was appearing in the ideas for you by on our dashboard on our studio, and the YouTube was suggesting that you can, if you want, use this video to promote your channel. So I did it. So there's a chance that which countries do you want to focus for the promotion? So you can add as many countries as you want here, and and then in the beginning I started with 1,000 rupees only. DK 1,000 is a very small amount if you compare it with terms or in terms of dollars. Well, so I started with 1,000 and then I kept on increasing, and now it is full, and so it is still active. So previously, this is very tricky. When you use a shorter period of time, you get a great boost effect on your share, right? But the thing is that you will uh, it will cost much to you, and all of your balance will be consumed soon. So that's what I did. I said, okay, keep it until 30th of June. So until 30th of June, it will keep on. The promotion started on 7th of May, right? So that time it was offering 10 days promotion or 20 days, right? So a huge flux of views came on this. Then I kept increasing this figure. Then now it has reached to 4,000, and now uh, so I have already spent it. It is telling you that how much have you already spent on it and how much is remaining, and on daily basis it is increasing. Right, it is increasing. And since the reviews are increasing on this, and the chances of the estimated uh, income earning per day, these are also expected to increase, right? If we go back to to see the other promotions we tried this automating the solver, right? This is the automating the solver, and its views have uh, cost me 821, and it is the impressions for 16,000 expressions were um, given to it, and 387 views came through this promotion, and 88 subscribers have chosen to subscribe my channel through this promotion. So this is a wonderful technique through which uh, you can energize, you can increase the reach of your videos, and and increase the views of your videos like that. Okay, so you have to choose very thoughtfully that which videos will be suitable for you, so to give you a better impact for better performance of your channel, right? So yeah, today was a special day that I earned the highest amount. That amount has per day. Normally, if you see in the analytics and you go to the date tab, what happens here, that on daily basis you are seeing like this. They were in, very not much, not very big amount of estimated revenue was reported, but ever since 9th of May when we started the promotion technique, so this started doing very well, and sometime 20, 30, and the last thing we get is 32 cents per day that in a single day. So this is, you can find it out that which was the, um, what is the breakup of this 32. So all you need to do is go to the custom and and use it to 23, or yeah, you select all, Control C and paste here, Control A, Control V. Okay, so you have the same thing. Okay, so you can make it 22, 22. Okay, and say apply. So these are the 2 days in which you have this amount, 32 amount of dollars. So what is the breakup of 32? You can see in terms of your contents, and in the contents you can sort it downwards so that the highest comes on the top. Okay, you sort it. So this is going to tell you that which is the key player in terms of estimated revenue. It is so 25 cents for coming from this video, which very old video. Now it is playing better role in increasing the my channel's earning. So this is the major. Out of 32, 25 were from this video, right? And some other old videos are also are becoming active ever since we have used this technique of promotion. So the promotions are the best way that we keep an eye uh, on the message which comes from YouTube on your YouTube Studio ideas for you. And in that, yeah, these are the ideas which are really very effective if you do the needful and we pay the attention to it and act on it. So you will have uh, you will have a good impact, and your channel will grow and your views will increase, and ultimately the earnings. Okay. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.